What is up, Hammerheads? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're actually not going to be in the forge. We're going to be heading over to North Carolina to Blacksmiths Depot to hang out with those guys, pick up a few things for an upcoming hammer in that we're going to be having over at the knife shop. Speaking of the knife shop, they're now a proud sponsor of the channel. Just had to step aside to show you the banner. The knife shop's actually been a sponsor of the channel and this forge long before there was ever a channel. So it's a great thanks to them, but I really appreciate their sponsor and their wanting to help this channel grow. So on to the commercial.
Located in Ooltewah, Tennessee, the Knife Shop is your one-stop shop for all of your outdoor and survival needs. If you're an avid collector or just somebody getting started with knives, the Knife Shop has something for you. But not just that, the Knife Shop also has a wide variety of outdoor and survival gear like MREs, water purification, fire making kits, and outdoor cooking to get you home safely from your next adventure. The Knife Shop really does have everything. They have self-defense items and even LARPing gear for those big battles you're getting ready for. But wait, there's more. The Knife Shop has a wide variety of custom items too, from Michael Brown Custom Knives to us here at Refining Fire Forge. They also offer a wide variety of services of engraving and knife sharpening to serve all of your needs in one place. The Knife Shop truly does have everything you need in one shop. With years of service and knowledge under their belt, the team here at the Knife Shop will leave you feeling confident in your purchase.
All right, guys, special thanks to the Knife Shop for sponsoring the channel. Super excited for that and can't wait for that partnership to grow and see what it turns into. So guys, hang on tight. Here comes the adventure of going to North Carolina with 3 crazy guys and a kid.
Alright guys, so that's the video. Sorry there was not a lot of narration, but just wanted to show you what Blacksmith Depot looked like. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. See you on the next one. God bless. Keep hammering.